Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the NBA 2K error code 0x887a0001. As per our research, the error comes when players try to run the game, and it crashes due to a GPU-related failure. According to our research, this error is likely caused by outdated drivers, system overheating, or interference from overlays and background applications. First, turn off your computer completely and then turn it back on. Once restarted, launch the game and check for the error. If the error still comes, then check if your system drivers are up to date, especially the graphics drivers. If not, update them and try again. If the error persists, disable any overlays. Simply close browser windows or other background apps that might be interfering with the game. In case the error still comes, then make sure your system is not overheating. Check the temperature of your CPU and GPU and clean your fans if needed. At last, if nothing helps, then lower the game's graphics settings and check for the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.